start talking.
All right, guys, so now we're gonna fit the 12 to 18 inch full volume extension in the color Audrey Balayage. And she already has in the 16 to 18 inch luxury length in the color Audrey. All right, so all we're gonna do is unclip all 4 clips, and then if you'll just tilt your head back just a little bit, perfect. We're gonna go about 2 fingertips behind her hairline. Just take it, turn it under and press it down. And believe it or not, neither one of these pieces are actually cut or, you know, fit for her or anything.
So this is just how they come?
This is literally just how it comes. And it already has those layers in there and everything. So we're just gonna do just a little bit of spray. And literally, she looks like she could walk in the Victoria's Secret chair.
Maybe I will.
Maybe you will.
Maybe I will now.
It's perfect.